Hey everybody, it's Marla from marlameredith.com. Today we are going to be baking. What we've got on deck today is a cast iron skillet chocolate chip banana bread. As a lot of you guys know, I'm absolutely obsessed with the cast iron skillet. This is a budget-friendly way to cook up so many of your favorite dishes. Sweets, savories, everything in between.
All you need for this recipe is unsalted butter, light brown sugar, vanilla extract, ripe bananas, a large egg, flour, cinnamon, salt, baking soda, and chocolate chips. Grease the skillet with some butter or vegetable oil. Now we are going to make brown butter, or in French, beurre noisette. If you've never made it before, now is the time. Brown butter is such a gorgeous flavor. It's got a nutty aroma, and it adds so much to the recipe. Over medium-high heat, you're gonna see the butter start to bubble, then it's gonna foam, and then brown flecks are gonna appear. That's exactly what you want for this toasted butter. Let the butter cool to room temperature while you work on the rest of the recipe.
Want to smell the best thing in the whole world? Make some brown butter.
Peel and mash those very ripe bananas. Measure out 1 1/4 cups. In this recipe, I'm using 2 types of flour. I'm using an all-purpose unbleached flour and also whole wheat pastry flour, just to add a little bit of health benefits. Add the salt, baking soda, and cinnamon. Whisk it all together. In a large bowl, mix together the brown sugar and the brown butter. Add the egg, mix in those mashed bananas, and the vanilla extract. In 2 additions, mix in the flour mixture. Fold in the chocolate chips. Pour the batter into your greased skillet. Top with the remaining chocolate chips. Great job, everybody. Now we are ready to bake this in the oven.
This skillet banana bread is fresh out of the oven. I'm gonna let it cool a little bit and then we're gonna dive in. Shauna's helping me cut this banana bread out of the skillet. I see we're wearing an Oklahoma shirt today, Okie. Are you familiar with the Tiger King?
You know I am.
Isn't everyone these days?
Yes, they are.
Every low and every high.
How great does this look, guys? It is so delicious. You need to get baking now.
Even if you had to leave me, I'd always be waiting here.